Ford just released details on the 2026 Ranger, and this midsize truck is loaded with features that are going to challenge everything you thought you knew about what a truck in this segment can deliver. If you've been shopping for a capable midsize pickup but keep running into compromises, underpowered engines, cramped cabins, or outdated technology, the Ranger is positioning itself as the truck that finally checks all the boxes. But here's the catch. While Ford nailed some aspects brilliantly, there are a few serious drawbacks that could be deal breakers depending on what you need from your truck. Let's break it down. We'll kick things off with the positives with features that are making the Ranger stand out in this competitive segment. Number 4. Capable powertrain options. Base models are equipped with a pretty capable 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline 4, turbocharged and direct injected, delivering around 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. But what's really getting enthusiasts excited is the optional powertrain. Step up to higher trims and you're looking at a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 that's cranking out approximately 315 horsepower and a hefty 400 pound-feet of torque. Therefore, acceleration is going to feel punchy, with the Ranger launching from 0 to 60 in around 6.5 seconds, faster than most rivals in this class. Both engines are going to be mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, while towing capacity is reaching up to 7,500 pounds with the V6. That boat sitting in your driveway or the travel trailer you've been eyeing suddenly becomes practical rather than a stress-inducing burden. But all that power means nothing if you can't control and monitor it properly, which is why the Ranger's technology package becomes so critical. Number 3. Large screens and loads of tech features. Walk into the cabin and you'll immediately notice the massive 12-inch vertical touchscreen running the latest Sync 4 system. The interface responds instantly, menus are organized logically, and you're not going to need a weekend to figure out how everything works. But Ford is taking things further with the digital instrument cluster. The Ranger is featuring a fully customizable 12.4-inch digital display that adapts to your needs in real time. Want to see turn-by-turn directions right in your sightline? Done. Need to monitor trailer sway while towing? Easy. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a wireless charging pad. Higher trims load up with a 360-degree camera system with split-view capability. If you've ever scratched the fender on a tight parking garage pillar, you'll understand why this feature is worth its weight in gold. There's also a Bang & Olufsen premium audio system for when you want concert-quality sound. Safety tech is equally impressive, with Ford Copilot 360 bundling adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Now, impressive tech is great, but it won't matter much if you're exhausted after a few hours behind the wheel, which brings us to one of the Ranger's most underrated strengths. Number 2. Comfortable ride. Anyone who's driven a traditional work truck knows the punishment. Every expansion joint sends shocks through your spine, every pothole rattling your teeth, road noise so constant it becomes a dull roar. That bone-jarring experience is what makes most truck owners dread long highway drives or wish they'd taken the sedan instead. The Ranger is utilizing a coil spring rear suspension in place of the harsh leaf springs you'd find in most work trucks. Therefore, the ride quality is noticeably more refined. Over expansion joints and rough pavement, the Ranger absorbs impacts with a composure that feels more like a luxury SUV. But what's equally impressive is the sound insulation. Ford is implementing acoustic glass in the windshield and front door windows, along with additional sound-deadening materials. Therefore, highway cruising is going to be remarkably quiet, with wind noise and road rumble kept to a minimum. So, the Ranger handles daily driving beautifully, but what if you want something more extreme, something that takes capability to a completely different level? Number 1. Raptor. Now we're getting to the crown jewel of the Ranger lineup, the hardcore off-road variant that's making enthusiasts lose their minds. For years, mid-sized truck buyers who craved serious off-road capability had to either spend a fortune on aftermarket modifications or settle for compromised performance. That frustration of wanting legitimate desert running capability without breaking the bank is exactly why the Ranger Raptor exists. Under the hood, the Raptor is packing a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 that's generating around 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. This kind of power transforms how the truck behaves. Sandy washes that would bog down lesser trucks become exhilarating sprints, and steep rocky climbs happen without drama. 0 to 60 is happening in the low 5-second range, making the Ranger Raptor quicker than many sports cars. But the real magic is going to be in the suspension. Anyone who's hit a washboard trail at speed knows the violence. Your body slamming against the seat, steering wheel trying to rip itself from your hands. Ford is equipping the Raptor with Fox Live Valve internal bypass shocks, which are continuously adjusting damping rates. These aren't just fancy dampers, they're the same technology used in Baja race trucks, capable of soaking up massive hits while keeping you in control. Ground clearance is increasing to over 11 inches, while approach and departure angles are optimized for tackling steep obstacles. The Raptor is also getting beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, along with reinforced skid plates and a terrain management system with multiple drive modes calibrated for sand, mud, rock crawling, and high-speed desert running. Therefore, whether you're tackling technical rock gardens or bombing through sand dunes, the Ranger Raptor is going to deliver capability that rivals dedicated off-road machines costing significantly more. So the Ranger has some genuinely impressive strengths, but if you think that means it's perfect, you need to hear about the compromises Ford is forcing buyers to make. Number 3. Single configuration. The Ranger is only available in one configuration, Super Crew cab with a 5-foot bed. That's it. No extended cab option, no longer bed, no variety in wheelbase. Therefore, if your needs don't align with this exact setup, Ford is essentially telling you to compromise or look elsewhere. But competitors like the Tacoma and Colorado are offering multiple cab and bed combinations, giving customers flexibility to match the truck to their specific needs. The 5-foot bed is practical for many uses, but it's going to require the tailgate to be down when hauling anything longer than 60 inches, which means dealing with red flags, bungee cords, and the constant worry that something's gonna slide out. Now, limited configurations are annoying, but they pale in comparison to what some owners are experiencing under the hood. Number 2. Reliability issues. The 2.3-liter EcoBoost has been experiencing issues that owners are reporting across forums and service centers. Carbon buildup on intake valves is going to be a persistent issue, particularly in engines spending most of their time in city driving. Therefore, deposits accumulate over time, eventually causing rough idling, misfires, and reduced power. Cleaning these valves requires labor-intensive service that's going to cost several $100s, and it's maintenance that'll need repeating every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. But the 2.7-liter V6 has its own demons. Reports of turbocharger failures are surfacing, with some owners experiencing blown turbos before hitting 100,000 miles. The symptoms start subtly, a slight whistle or reduced boost, but they're going to escalate into complete turbo failure if ignored, leaving you stranded and facing a repair bill that makes your monthly payment look modest. There's also the matter of transmission concerns. Some Ranger owners are experiencing harsh shifts, delayed engagement, and even complete transmission failures requiring full replacement. But even if you're willing to roll the dice on reliability, there's one final hurdle that's stopping many buyers cold. Number 1. Pricing. Base models start around $35,000, but those are stripped-down work trucks. Most buyers are going to gravitate toward mid-level trims like the XLT or Lariat, and that's where the sticker shock hits hard. You're looking at $42,000 to $48,000 for a reasonably equipped Ranger. But here's where it gets worse. Want that 2.7-liter V6? That's going to require stepping up to pricier trims. Want the technology package? More money, 4-wheel drive, add another few thousand. Therefore, by the time you've built a Ranger with the features you want, you're easily pushing past $50,000. And at that price point, the value proposition is falling apart. You're entering territory where you could get a well-equipped F-150, which offers more space and capability. But even within the mid-size segment, the Ranger is priced higher than key competitors. The Tacoma often comes better equipped at comparable price points, while the Colorado frequently offers stronger incentives. The Raptor is taking things to another level entirely. With pricing expected around $65,000 or more, you're paying luxury vehicle money. Yes, the performance is exceptional, but that's a lot of cash for something that's going to get scratched up on the trail. So where does that leave the 2026 Ranger? It's packed with genuine strengths, but those strengths come with compromises that are hard to ignore. In other words, the Ranger is a truck that's perfect for specific buyers, those who can afford the premium and are willing to gamble on reliability for the sake of Ford's impressive feature set. Also, make sure to check out our next video about the changes on the 2026 Ford Ranger you can now see on the screen. If you're willing to neglect the weak points we've just talked about, you'll be happy to know that more updates have come. The updates may be subtle, but they'll definitely help the Ranger improve its market position.